Today we're talking about Cash App's borrow feature that lets eligible users borrow money instantly. First, let's cover what the feature is and how it works. Cash App is a financial services platform, not a bank, but partners with banks for lending. The borrow feature lets you get cash quickly, with a flat fee, no hard credit check, and flexible payment. Next, let's talk eligibility. To qualify, most people need to deposit at least $300 monthly in paychecks, or link an external account that receives $500 plus monthly. You must be 18 plus years old, your account must be in good standing, and the service is not available in certain states, for example Colorado and Iowa. Next, how to borrow. In the app you go to the Money tab, then tap Borrow. Then you choose how much to borrow and your payment terms. When you get approved, the money is deposited instantly into your cash balance. How much can you borrow? You can borrow as little as $20 if you have a borrow offer. The maximum depends on your personal limit. Will this affect your credit score? No. Cash App states they don't check your credit score or report your activity to credit bureaus. Repayment options. You can repay your loan in different ways: pay as you receive cash, make weekly installments, or pay the entire balance at once. If you fail to repay on time, the balance will be deducted from your cash account or linked instrument. Pros and cons. On the plus side, this gives you quick access to funds without traditional credit checks. On the downside, borrowing always carries cost and risk. If you overborrow or miss payments, you could face trouble. Tips for using responsibly. Only borrow what you need, make sure you have a plan to repay, and don't treat this as free money. Conclusion. The borrow feature from Cash App can be a helpful tool in emergencies or when cash flow is tight, but it still requires discipline and responsible repayment. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more finance and fintech breakdowns.